When the tide goes out in Bembridge, it really does disappear. The dredging is done by excavator, which I've never seen before. The place keeps on silting up, partly because the groins along the beach that are supposed to catch the sand are in a gloriously picturesque state of decay. The lovingly corrosive action of the sea and its tiny inhabitants have transformed every post into an entirely individual work of art. The harbour, for all its beauty, is a construct of man, and nature is continually trying to reclaim the place. When the tide comes in, it's utterly transformed. Then, when the wind pips up, the whole mood can change again. During the winter, the harbour is host to a fleet of illusions, real mini racing yachts, cross trees, roller reefing headsails, downhauls, every sail tweak you could ever want. They're steered with a footbar. The keels are full of lead, corrected to the weight of the helmsman. In theory, the boats should be utterly level rating. A 6-stone woman could beat a 15-stone man. The boats are only sailed through the winter months. It's the only time the harbour is clear of moored boats.
3, 2, 1, someone's over.
You are allowed to hit a buoy, and there's no pole for the spinnaker. It looks bloody good fun to me. The Isle of Wight is home to some of Britain's top racing yachtsmen and women. They all use the illusions to keep their reactions sharp through the winter. In the summer, these people will be sailing big keel boats at competitions all over Europe. Having prangs is all part of sailing illusions. Every boat has been severely patched. And these people are badly afflicted with the competitive gene. Rumour has it that some of the top sailors have been tweaking the shape of the rudders so they can get that tiny extra bit of performance out of their boats. These people will stop at nothing to win. And some of them think I'm barking mad taking to sea in a boat that sails as slowly as my mirror offshore. I guess everybody's different.
Oh!